Opposites attract. It's a phrase we've all heard countless times in movies, books, and conversations about relationships. The idea that people are drawn to those who are completely different from them is a romantic notion that has captured imaginations for generations. But is there any truth to it? In today's video, we're taking a closer look at this popular belief to uncover what science really says about attraction and compatibility. By the end of this episode, you'll have a better understanding of whether opposites truly attract or if we're more likely to fall for someone who's just like us. Let's dive in. The myth. Opposites attract in relationships. The belief that opposites attract suggests that people are more likely to be drawn to those who are different from them, whether it's in personality, interests, or lifestyle. This idea has been romanticized in countless love stories, where characters with contrasting traits complement each other perfectly. While it's a captivating concept, does it hold up in real life? The reality. Similarity, attraction. Contrary to the myth, research shows that people are generally more attracted to those who share similar values, beliefs, and personality traits. This phenomenon is known as similarity attraction. Here's what the science tells us. Shared values and beliefs. Studies consistently find that shared values and beliefs are key factors in forming strong and lasting relationships. These similarities create a sense of understanding and reduce potential conflicts. Compatible personalities. While differences can be intriguing at first, long-term compatibility often hinges on similarities in personality. For example, two people who are both extroverted may enjoy socializing together, while two introverts might prefer quieter, more intimate activities. Mutual interests. Common hobbies and interests provide a foundation for shared experiences, which can strengthen the bond between partners over time. Emotional connection. Similarity fosters a sense of comfort and security, making it easier for individuals to connect on a deeper emotional level. Why does the myth persist? If similarity is such a strong predictor of attraction, why does the idea of opposites attracting remain so popular? There are several reasons. Romanticized media. Movies and TV shows often portray opposites coming together for dramatic effect, reinforcing the myth. Initial novelty. Differences can be exciting and novel at the beginning of a relationship, giving the illusion of stronger attraction. Confirmation. Bias. People may focus on examples of contrasting couples that work while ignoring the many successful relationships built on similarity. So do opposites really attract? While the idea is compelling, science suggests that we're more likely to be drawn to people who are similar to us. Shared values, beliefs, and personalities create a strong foundation for lasting relationships. But hey, every relationship is unique, and sometimes differences can add just the right amount of spice. If you enjoyed today's breakdown of relationship myths, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more intriguing content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.